Personally, I've never been given any mental health education or any information.
DJ Gill is a grade 10 student in Richmond, and like many other students this year, she's been feeling lonely and isolated, with the COVID-19 pandemic changing the daily routine she's used to.
People I used to see on a daily basis, I barely see them now because of, scheduling. The schedule is really broken up, so it's difficult for a lot of people as well.
The province of BC says it has invested millions of dollars into mental health initiatives since 2017. But Gill says it's just not enough.
I think that they should really be considering how individual students will actually benefit from what they implement.
Gill launched an Instagram account this past December called Teach Mental Health BC and wrote a letter to the Ministry of Education asking for a mental health education course to be implemented.
It would really just create the conversation and I think it would help reduce stigma and really just bring people together and in understanding that it is okay to feel like this.
Gill received an email back from the ministry outlining what she calls ineffective mental health supports.
Creating more ways for students to reach out for help, I don't think that'll really help students. I think really just involuntarily providing information is what will help us and really not give us an opportunity to neglect it if we're taught as the same way we're taught math and English.
In a statement to City News, the Ministry of Education says mental well-being is one of the 4 key areas of study required in the physical and health education curriculum, and points to a new mental health in school strategy and a website with mental health resources.
I think that it just gets really underweight with PE. It's really physical health education. The class, it's really just targeted on interacting with people, playing sports and stuff. So I think that if it's more targeted, we'll actually get the information that we need.
The Richmond School District also says it's committed to providing social emotional learning and mental health supports to students, families, and educators. The district says recently the Ministry of Education's annual student learning survey taken by students across the province indicated that grade 10 students in Richmond ranked higher than the provincial average when asked if they were learning about mental health.
Currently, at my school in particular, the only sort of support mechanism we have is to talk to counselors.
While advocating for a mental health course, Gill shares some advice to peers who may be struggling.
Don't just sulk in your negative feelings by yourself. Talk to someone you trust. Talk to one of your family members. Do something you enjoy.
In Burnaby, Miranda Fatur, City News.